All right, for this job, just going over the things I'm using. Other people probably use not necessarily, obviously different companies, but different tools and whatnot. I'll just say what I've used in this video if it's helpful. So the GB spacers, I have a needle nose Milwaukee pliers. I'm kind of an all Milwaukee guy. I have a magnetic Milwaukee level, 2 Milwaukee screwdrivers. This is the screwdriver, the ratcheting one that has the where you can loop copper wire. This is I just use this if I have to pull out from the tabs at the back of the Decora Leviton tamper resistant outlets. Lutron Claro wall plates all the way. Best in business for beautiful screwless wall plates. Just have my Milwaukee Fuel brushless drill and using Leviton Decora tamper resistant outlets. So yeah. So I'm sure a lot of you out there absolutely love the outlets that came with the house or the builder put in, and you're just absolutely thrilled with them, but just like we are. But so the how it looks minimalist and KonMari and clean, very, very clean lines, and then the wall plate looks like that. So what I'll do is I'll take this one out, install, and show you how it looks after. One thing I really like about Milwaukee products in general is they always got useful add-ons and tools. Like, for example, this regular ratcheting screwdriver has these two holes here, and I can do, like if I wanted to, with any copper wire, just make a loop, kind of insert it into there, right? So it's like there, and then, sorry, it's gonna have to do this on the video. And I just twist it around like that. I take it up, take it off. 1 second. I twist it too far. Just got to put in like a little bit. Kind of twist it. Take it off. You get the general idea. I'm not that good at it, but it'll make a loop for you. So it can look much cleaner, especially when you're using spacers. Just to show you the ones that I use, I got from USA, Home Depot. I'm sure they're in Canada too. But just from GB, they're Home Depot. Kind of before, if you didn't do that, sometimes in some scenarios, this would be indented a little, but now it's like perfectly flush, perfectly level, super clean compared to the before and after.